Hi, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast, where you learn English through real conversations. I'm Emily.
And I'm Mark. It's great to have you back.
Today, we're talking about one of my favorite topics, travel and tourist destinations.
Oh, yes. Everyone loves a good trip.
Mark, do you like to travel?
Of course. I love visiting new places and learning about other cultures.
Me too. I think travel helps you grow and feel alive.
You can say, I like to travel.
Or, I enjoy visiting new places.
Perfect beginner English for travel talk.
What's your favorite place you've ever visited?
I think my favorite was Tokyo, Japan.
Oh, I've been there too. The city is amazing, so clean and full of life.
Yes, the people are polite and the food incredible.
You can say, I went to Japan last year.
Or, I visited Tokyo on my vacation.
Nice! These are great sentences for talking about travel. What did you like most about Tokyo?
The mix of modern and traditional. You see tall buildings, then beautiful temples.
I know! And the trains, so fast and clean.
You can say, I liked the food and the people.
I liked the food and the people.
The city was beautiful and busy.
The city was beautiful and busy.
Simple English, big memories.
Have you ever traveled to the beach?
Oh, yes, I love beaches. I once went to Phuket, Thailand.
Oh, I love Phuket. The sea is so blue.
The sunsets there are magical.
You can say, I swam in the sea.
Or, I watched the sunset on the beach.
So romantic and peaceful. What's one thing you always do when you visit a new place?
I walk around local streets. I like seeing small shops and markets.
That's the best way to learn about a country. Talk to people, taste their food, and enjoy the moment.
You can say, I like to explore new places.
I walk and take photos when I travel.
Travel is about feelings, not just photos.
What's your favorite kind of destination? Beach, city, or mountains?
I like mountains. The air is fresh and quiet.
I like beaches. Warm sun, soft sand, happy people.
You can say, I love the mountains.
I like relaxing at the beach.
Perfect small talk for travel lovers.
Do you travel alone or with friends?
Mostly with friends. It's fun to share memories together.
I agree. I love traveling with my family.
You can say, I travel with my friends.
I go on trips with my family.
Short, friendly sentences that sound real.
Let's talk about some famous tourist destinations around the world.
Sure. There's Paris, the city of love.
London, with its beautiful old buildings and parks.
New York City, full of lights and energy.
And Rome, full of history and delicious pasta.
You can say, I want to visit Paris.
My dream is to go to Rome.
Beautiful ways to talk about dreams.
Have you ever visited your dream country yet?
Not yet. My dream is to visit Iceland to see the northern lights.
Wow, that's amazing. My dream is to go to Italy and eat real pizza in Naples.
You can say, my dream is to visit Iceland.
I want to travel to Italy one day. Dreams make travel exciting. I bring my passport and money.
Easy English. Real travel talk.
Let's help our listeners describe travel experiences.
You can say, I went there last summer.
It was beautiful and fun.
I took many photos.
I met new people.
Those are great for beginner storytelling.
What's one travel memory you'll never forget?
When I visited a small village in Vietnam, the people were kind and the food was simple but delicious.
That sounds lovely. For me, it was when I saw cherry blossoms in Japan. It felt like magic.
You can say, I'll never forget that trip.
It was the best day of my life.
Great ways to talk about special memories.
So, today we talked about favorite places, dream destinations, and simple travel sentences.
We learned words for describing beaches, cities, and travel dreams.
Traveling is not only about seeing places, it's about learning and feeling.
That's right. And talking about travel is a fun way to practice English.
In part 2, we'll talk about how to describe places and give travel recommendations in English.
It will help you sound natural when you share your travel stories.
So stay with us and let's keep traveling through English. Hi again, everyone. Welcome back to Talking About Tourist Destinations in English. English conversation practice for beginners.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Emily.
In part 1, we talked about favorite destinations, dream trips, and special travel memories.
Now, we'll help you describe places and give travel recommendations in English. So, Mark, how do you describe a place you visited?
I start with how it looks. For example, the city is big and bright.
Good one. Or, the beach is quiet and beautiful.
You can also talk about the weather. It's sunny and warm.
It's cool and windy near the sea.
Short, easy, and clear English for describing places.
Let's talk about adjectives, the words that show how something feels.
Sure. Beautiful, peaceful, clean, crowded, amazing.
Quiet, exciting, sunny, famous, traditional.
You can say, the market was crowded but fun.
The view was amazing.
Simple words, big pictures in the listener's mind.
How can we describe people in tourist places?
You can say, the people were friendly.
The locals were kind and helpful.
Everyone smiled and welcomed us.
I met nice people during my trip.
Real sentences that make travel stories warm.
Let's help our listeners describe food too.
Yes, you can say, the food was delicious.
I tried local dishes.
The fruit was fresh and sweet.
The seafood was amazing.
Food always brings life to travel stories.
Mark, how do you recommend a place to someone in English?
I usually say, you should visit, or I recommend going to.
Good examples. For instance, you should visit Angkor Wat. It's beautiful.
Or, I recommend visiting Singapore. It's clean and modern.
Easy English, but sounds natural. Let's teach some polite travel advice phrases.
Sure. Don't forget to bring sunscreen.
Good. Remember to take photos.
Be careful when crossing the road.
Try local food. It's special.
Friendly tips make you sound kind and helpful.
What about talking about travel experiences in the past?
You can say, I went there last summer.
I stayed for 5 days.
I took many photos.
I met new people and learned new things.
Real sentences that tell your story.
Let's talk about travel feelings. How did you feel when you traveled last?
I felt excited at the airport, then peaceful when I arrived.
I felt curious about everything new. The language, the culture, the people.
You can say, I was happy and relaxed.
I was surprised by the beauty.
Simple emotions make travel stories human.
Do you like traveling to famous cities or hidden places?
I like hidden places, small towns with local charm.
Me too. I love quiet places near nature.
You can say, I like small, peaceful towns.
I enjoy nature and calm places.
It's peaceful English, easy to understand.
What's one destination you always recommend to beginners?
I always say Thailand. It's friendly, beautiful, and affordable.
I recommend Japan. It's clean, safe, and full of culture.
You can say, you should visit Thailand.
I recommend going to Japan.
Travel English that's easy and useful.
How can our listeners practice travel English every day?
Listen to travel videos in English.
Or describe your city in English. Pretend you're a tourist.
You can say, there is a park near my house.
There are many shops in my town.
Everyday English that builds confidence.
Let's show a short sample conversation for our listeners.
Great idea.
Great idea. Where did you go last weekend?
I went to the beach.
How was it?
It was sunny and quiet. The sea was blue.
That sounds perfect.
You should go there next time.
I will. I love the beach.
Natural, simple, friendly conversation. Great for beginners.
What do you think makes travel special, Mark?
Meeting people and seeing new ways of life.
Yes, travel opens your heart and your mind.
You can say, travel makes me happy.
I learn something new every trip.
Beautiful thoughts in easy English.
So today we learned how to describe places, give travel advice, and talk about feelings.
We used simple English that helps you sound natural when you talk about trips and holidays.
Travel teaches you language, culture, and joy.
And English helps you share that joy with the world.
Thank you for joining us today, dear listeners.
We hope you feel inspired to travel or just dream in English tonight.
Wherever you go, keep learning and keep smiling.
Until next time, safe travels, everyone.
Goodbye and happy learning.